Okay, this is a piece of wood that I got from our Maryland High Point trip. That's what I wrote on there, Maryland High Point. I have no idea what this is. I have a suspicion it's some kind of maple. If the video have us meet when I cut it down. It's really soft and it was kind of a reddish tint to it. It had a strange smell, but it was off a stump that was cut down by, I guess, loggers. And this was a sucker shoot growing out of it. So this is a piece of poplar. And I'm just going to reuse one of these holes here, I believe. I guess thing around here. Oops. Got the slide, but it worked. Like I said, I have no idea, but I assume it's some kind of maple, but I could be completely wrong. Mystery tree, go. Thanks, later out.